constitutional rights here in Memphis and throughout America. I said we have opened a criminal civil rights investigation. I told them this federal civil rights investigation will be thorough, it will be methodical, and it will continue until we gather all the relevant facts. As with any other federal investigation, we will go where those facts take us. I delivered that message to them, and I want this community to hear that message as well. As I told Mr. Nichols' family, our federal investigation may take some time. These things often do. But we will be diligent and we will make decisions based on the facts and the law. My office is working hand in hand with the Civil Rights Division in Washington, as well as the FBI and other law enforcement partners. Our team includes very experienced federal prosecutors from our office here in Memphis. It includes very experienced FBI agents from the FBI Memphis field office, and it includes a very experienced attorney from the Civil Rights Division. We have been in constant, very constructive communication with the Shelby County District Attorney, as well as state and local law enforcement agencies about this case. I'm thankful for that, and I expect that will continue. Finally, I know there is significant public interest in the release of the video that was shown to Mr. Nichols' family. The state and local authorities have responsibility for determining when to release video from this incident to the public. What I will say on behalf of the federal authorities is we want people to express their right to be heard, but we want them to do so in a peaceful and nonviolent way. I'll close by saying that I grew up in this city, and I care deeply about this city. I want this city to be a place where justice is done. The United States is committed to following the facts and the law, guided by principles of justice every step of the way. Thank you for your time this morning.
Sir, can I have just one question? Not on the investigation, just on why was this important for you to do today?
I'm sorry.
Can you just answer just one question?
I have copies of the statement.
Yeah. Pay attention.
Well, you just heard from the U.S. Attorney for the Western District, Kevin Ritz. It was a short statement that he was giving us an update on the death investigation into Tyre Nichols. He did say he spoke with the family of Nichols and he told them that they would be doing a very methodical investigation into this. He said that these things take time. He also said that he does care deeply about finding the facts into Tyre's constitutional rights. And they did open up a criminal civil investigation. We did not know that before. They had just said a civil rights investigation. But of course, asking for peace if someone does choose to demonstrate. Not much else coming out of that. But he did say that he wants people to be patient as they do take their time to find all the facts.
Absolutely. And he did talk about, too, the wide and reaching efforts that are taking place to do this investigation, even mentioning people in Washington, D.C. that are working on this right now. He did mention that there is significant public interest in that video that we've been waiting to see. But he did say also that that is local law enforcement's responsibility and their decision on when and if they will release that video, how that will work. But again, he told us he's from Memphis. He cares about this area.
Yes.
And that he wants to see justice as well.
He does, and he said that is why he's asking from federal authorities, because again, that video is on that state level, that local level here in Memphis. But on the federal side, he said if there are going to be any demonstrations, for them to be peaceful, because he is from Memphis. And he said because he's from Memphis, he wants to see justice done. He just wants to see it done in the right way. You are looking at video of Tyre. Again, he spoke to just who Tyre was, saying he loves skateboarding, photography, sunsets at Shelby Farms. Again, just showing this is someone who is from Memphis, worked at FedEx. We are going to continue to bring you the latest updates in this investigation into what happened to Tyre Nichols.
Absolutely. And also, the MPD officers that were fired. This is really the center of that investigation, looking into what happened within that arrest. And we're looking at that video as well. You can see their names on the screen. It's Justin Smith, Emmett Martin III, Desmond Mills Jr., and Justin and Tadarius Bean. Of course, we're going to keep you updated on all of this. All of this is still developing. We're still gaining more knowledge and information about what will happen in the days and the weeks to come.
Absolutely, and we will continue this coverage on our midday newscast.